This is the portal page offered by Stock Traders Daily. It is a comprehensive view of what's going on in the stock market, and it doesn't require you to click around the internet to find the pertinent information. Immediately on the page and featured prominently, you will see all of the market-based ETFs. The S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Russell 2000. For each of them, you will find day trading plans, swing trading plans, and longer-term investment plans. The concept is simple. It's price-based. When the ETF is testing a support level, that's a buy signal. When it's testing a resistance level, that's a sell signal. These can be used with index ETFs, options, futures, E-minis, and they're very actionable. In addition, our strategy indicators are featured on the page, and you can see what's going on with each strategy by clicking the arrow next to the name. If you want to look at the markets themselves, they're available too, in a comprehensive fashion, so that you can quickly see where the market is in relation to its day trading, swing trading, and longer-term investment plans. Also, news is featured prominently. Our news is always readily available, but in addition to that, you can find news from CNBC, MarketWatch, the Financial Times, and more. Our sentiment table is featured prominently as well. This will tell you if the market is overbought or oversold, and help you find ideas. Our stock reports are right there. You can get a report on any stock that you want, or you can allow our stock filtering tool to help you find a stock that is correlated with where you think the market is going to go. Our portal page is designed to make it very easy to monitor the markets and very easy to find ideas. We hope that you enjoy it.